dito po kami sasakay, 82B, papuntang Chingmong Reservoir. Come on guys, happy. Dito po kami sa Chingmong Reservoir. So, abangan nyo po yung mga picture in video. Samahan nyo po ako sa first time na pinuntahan ng lugar na ito. Thank you guys. Iikot ko lang po kayo dito sa entrance ko ano ang paligid niya po. Ayan po. So that's it. I'm on the top of the hill. I'm on the top of Reservoir. Doon. Okay, tapos na.
Best experience to come here kasi inagaw po ng monkey yung mga pagkain namin dito. Kaya so scary and happy naman. Ang aga po namin natapos and then we continue to the other side. Ang lawak niya po talaga. I can believe. This is so beautiful places in Hong Kong. One of the beautiful nature lover you can come. Wala siyang entrance, no need to pay, just walk. If you love walking, then this is the best way. So beautiful place. It's not too hot and then not too cold. Perfect siya. That's it. Please subscribe and follow me. Give a like or thumbs up. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Shalom, shalom. Enjoy the view. This place is a lot of
Dito po kami
monkeys,
lumabas.
really.
Tapos ito na yung final station
Hong
na may
Kong
toilet
is
at
a
pang hand
nice
wash na may
place.
tindahan
It's
din.
very clean.
So now we go back again for later.
Yes, waiting for the bus. This is what I say. You turn it back again.
Ibang
See this
hiking na
little
yata
view
dito.
also. And ang daming
Dito po kami
tao
nakapasok sa kanila.
doing
Pupuntahan namin yung
the barbecue site. So nice. See? So clean. Oh, barbecue, eating, get together. I love it. Back and then
Ito
waiting
po
for the
yung
bus.
stop
That's
over.
it.
And then naakyat sa
Love you
taas. And then
guys.
meron doon po sa
Hope you
taas
like all my
toilet.
video.
Ayan po, ang dami
Please
pong unggoy dito.
follow.
Ayan.
See, there's a lot of monkeys.
Ang tagal ng mga kasama
Grabe.
ko, ang tagal nilang dumating.
You get all my food
This is it.
and but enjoy.